Hey folks, this is for the skeptical people amongst you about making money online. I've been running a series of videos. There's going to be 12 in total. This is number 11, and today you really need to watch to the end because I'm going to be covering ads. Yesterday I covered organic marketing. Now, if you're new to the field of affiliate marketing, you're skeptical, you've jumped in, it's what you call, or what the industry calls, a newbie. I personally don't like that term, but that's what you're going to be identified as, someone new in the marketplace, and you're going to hear noise about running ads. Yes, ads work. All forms of marketing work if they are done correctly. This is the most important thing. Now, imagine this. You're coming into an industry new, you do not have complete knowledge, you're excited, you're eager, which is absolutely great, but it's going to take time to learn these skills. So, for the love of God, if you're a newbie, do not throw your money into ads. And the reason I'm saying this is that most people who do, when they're new into this field, they lose their money, period, because they are not totally developed in the skill of copywriting, how to write that perfect or awesome headline to grab people's attention that gets them so excited that they become compelled to take an interest in the call to action. Now, once you hone those skills and you become developed and you get more skills, then by all means move into advertising, because it's a great way to get your message out to a targeted audience. And this is another thing with ads: you are not going to understand the concept of the targeted audience as a beginner. And what you'll be doing is you'll be throwing out your message that is not optimized for copywriting, not optimized for a headline, and you'll be chucking it against the wall, hoping that some strands of the spaghetti will stick to it. I guarantee you almost 100%, there are always exceptions, obviously, but I guarantee you that people who are new into this game spending money on ads will see little to no results. So, the summary of this little video: ads work beautifully, but if you're new to this game, please, 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 for the love of God, stay away from them. Hone your skills. Start with organic. Start with a really good mentor, someone who can give you the proper skill set in marketing. This is the important word: marketing. And as you develop, and it's going to take you 3 months, 6 months, a year, some people even more, stay with it, be persistent, and then move to ads once you start to become an expert. See you in the next one.